Due to lockdown during COVID-19 in India, Pushpa had to come back to her village, Uparwarpur, away from the city of Varanasi. Pushpa used to do stitching work in Surat, and her husband was a laborer. Pushpa has 5 children, and the corona pandemic has turned her life upside down. After coming back to the village, the financial crisis increased on her family. They were facing food crisis and unemployment. There was no work being found or any support. As we know, bad times do not last long. Today, Pushpa is the part of Sui Dhaga program, a skill development program of the Muhim organization, which was started in Gaharpur village near Varanasi. Pushpa works to teach stitching, weaving and embroidery to poor rural girls and women of the village. Muhim organization has been working with rural Dalit women, adolescent girls and children on the topic of health, education, empowerment and employment in rural areas. With the help of Chances for Children India, the organization has started this center, in which today around more than 30 poor girls and women are learning professional stitching and weaving skills. This center is not only limited to stitching and weaving, but training and workshops are also organized in the center for leadership development and women empowerment. This center is also working to break the issue of same like menstruation through making cotton sanitary pads. The continuous support of Chances for Children India is not only helps Pushpa through provide her employment, but it also help all poor girls and women towards self-independent and empowered. Ronald Reagan said, "We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone." Thanks to Chances for Children India.